Very pleased to be here. President Wang, Professor Kishore Mahbubani, series editor, distinguished panel, friends from the China and Globalization, and colleagues. I'm very happy to be from Singapore and to be here. The publisher to start the session, announcing what will show Springer Nature's highlight title. Professor Kishore's seminal essay titled The 18th Century in the China and Globalization, part of a significant collaboration between China and Globalization and Springer Nature. It is also a privilege to speak here for reason among countless others. First, publishing we did it. Congratulations, everyone. This is a first nature. Prof. Kishore is Singapore's best national voice, and we at Springer are proud to assist that voice again around the world. Globally, as part of the Social Sciences Program. Each year, we publish over 500 titles. But this one is rare and a great way to start 2020. Publishing this has been a significant milestone for our country. Singapore is not things. Our progress in the world, openness and transparency, our innovation in robotic, biomedical and world-class in our systematic, inclusive multicultural building, and of course the entire world-class in it. What it is left out, and this is not Singapore, but most of Asia in sense, is thoughtfully national politics and contribution in the study national area studies. With one main director, the globally work of the Kishore Mahbubani. Along with the diplomatic years and founding the School of Public, the seminal at 1998, Can Asian was the first definition by an Asian scholar truly present that would shape the world is evolving in the century. It showed us, as do the ethnic collection, how Professor Kishore has been a tireless student and a driver of politics and policy, setting the agenda date in everything that happens in international politics. Sometimes his views are debated and challenged, but the fact that prescriptive and absolute times central facts. As an ode to minorities and influence force policy across diversity, Prof. Kishore also had a professorship recently named at the Yong School of Medicine at the National University of Singapore. The second reason is deeply personal. In 1990, as a grad student, my supervisor at Bajpai made reading Kishore Mahbubani absolutely the law during our graduate coursework. So I just did not have to read him, but I had to learn him. Although I did not career in international relations, we were deeply influenced by the clarity of thought and vision that characterizes Kishore's writing, which Gandhi often urged us to model our own studying global problems. I will leave the distinguished experts in the panel for clearer views and discussion of how seminal this collection is from the discipline's perspective. But I can't help asking myself the question, why do we choose to live with paradoxes Prof. Kishore highlights that currently characterize international politics? Is it to an extent influenced by a triumph of empiricism and the advent and progress of rational choice theories on mainstream international relations and their failure to set the debate in the correct context? Or is the cause the premature announcement of the victory of liberal democracy and institutionalism which was then disrupted by regional wars and aggrandizing political behavior. The topical spread and coverage of Prof. Kishore's essays is truly breathtaking and essential. From American mission and perceived exceptionalism, regional order, to Chinese thought, India, Japan, to climate change and the pandemic. He grapples with every big question of our time, prods our curiosity, and also gives emphatic answers to some of those questions, and prescribes what we need to make course correction. And that is the essential Mahbubani. He provokes and he teaches. And that is why this selection from the Center for China and Globalization is one of the finest we are privileged to offer in our program. Thank you.